Good afternoon, Attorney Donel. Pao excited, gitang tanan sigurado ako. Hindi sa opening, kundi sa performance karon kang aton nga special guest. Alright, ang may mga resibo, please fall in line here. See, told ya, my kiss, my hug.
Activities lined up for the celebration of our devotional fiesta in honor of Senior Santo Niño. I hereby proclaim that the celebration of the 2014 fiesta of the Municipal of Bawat Municipality of Timbawan, I hereby declare it open!
Parang ayaw nyo akong lapitan. I love you too. Careful lang ha, baka may mga maipit na bata. Kaya, alayain lang natin.